All right, everyone, we are going to be demonstrating how to split a feed in Timeless. These are typically going to be, this is the function that you're going to use for the big jugs that come up from PinLab. So they look like this typically. For demonstration purposes, however, we are just going to use this, but this is what your labels will look like when it comes up. So you're going to open up Timeless when you're ready to feed your patient. You're going to go into split feed. After that, it's going to ask you to scan the bottle's barcode. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to scan right here. Sometimes you have to click in the box first. So you're going to go ahead, click there, and then we're going to go ahead and scan. And then it's going to ask you the number of labels to print. We're only going to print one. And then it's going to ask you how much are we taking out. So container one, that means how much are we giving to our patient. So let's say this patient is getting 150 mLs every 4 hours. So you would go ahead and type in 150, and that is automatically going to deduct that from your remaining. And then you will select a printer. For demonstration purposes, we are going to use the PICU formula room. And you're going to click next. This is going to print out about 5 barcodes. The first 2 barcodes, these are what's going to go on your bottle. So say this was maybe a 150 ml bottle. I know it's not, but we would put the 150 mLs in here, and then we would label it with the first 2 stickers. The last 3 stickers, these are going to go directly over the stickers that are already on the larger bottle that should be in the fridge. So this is going to just tell people how much is remaining, and then this is going to be how you split your feed for further feeds after. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to act like we're taking our bottle into our patient's room, which is this one. So this is on our patient's bottle. So we're going to go ahead, and now all you have to do is click feed patient. You're going to scan their barcode. Again, this will be in the room. And then it's going to say scan the bottle's barcode, in which we're going to scan this guy. And then it has been fed to the patient, and you will now dispose of the system. Please let us know if you have any questions. Just reach out to the Choice Scholars. Thanks.